Trinidad, Vice President Academic, Dr. Leonida C. Trinidad, Vice President Auditor Ms. Leonila C. Bonifacio, Acting Principal Ms. Jeanette J. Villarreal, Class Advisor Ms. Marifes V. Gordon, teachers, schoolmates, classmates, staff, viewers, parents, and guests. Good morning to all of you. In everything you say, to my mama and papa, thank you for being my wonderful parents, for your love, support, and care. To Nanay, Tito Jumay, Tita April, and Tata Amanda. You are my inspiration. Thank you for playing with me. To our teachers, thank you so much for being patient, for teaching us every day and holding our hands. We all thank you for the guidance. My classmates, thank you for the memories that we shared together. And to Almighty God for creating this world for children to grow, for the gift of life, and for the love that we get from people around